Top 10 most dangerous animals in the world you won't believe. 10. Shark. Cool but deadly, one bite can end it all. 9. Hippo. Looks cute but kills 500 people a year. 8. Crocodile. Lurks in water. Strikes in seconds. 7. Scorpion. Tiny, but its sting can kill. 6. Freshwater snail. Carries parasites that kill thousands silently. 5. Assassin bug. Nicknamed the kissing bug, but it spreads Chagas disease. 4. Tsetse fly. Spreads deadly sleeping sickness in Africa. 3. Dog. Man's best friend. Not with rabies. 59,000 deaths a year. 2. Snake. Silent, fast, and venomous, over 100,000 deaths yearly. 1. Mosquito. The real killer, over 700,000 deaths every year from malaria, dengue and more.